Hello YouTube. Today we are going to talk about the material assignment in a part and extruded cut. So to use that feature, first we make a cube. Now here is a material option. It's written not specified, so double click or right click on that edit material, and you can select steel, iron, aluminium, copper, etc. So I'm choosing aluminium. I'm choosing alloy steel. Apply, close. So now the material is assigned. It will further help you in measuring its weight. To measure its mass, we can go to evaluate. There is an option mass properties. If we click on mass properties, we get the weight of the part, and density is taken of aluminium, alloy steel, and volume is here. We can change the dimensions if we like to get our required volume and mass. We also get center of mass and moment of inertia. We can also print it or copy it to clipboard. So I'm just cutting it now. I have to show you the extrude cut option. So go to features. First we have to draw. Let us draw in this plane. Suppose I am gonna extrude cut a circle to insert a stub axle or anything. So I'll go to extrude cut. Now it's written blend, means I can increase the height as I wish by this dimension box. But if we write through all, it will cut every part that comes in its way. Through all, both means it's gonna cut in opposite direction, this direction too. And up to next we can specify where up to next to cut. Suppose up to next, and I'm giving this plane, means you will cut up to this plane. Now up to surface means if I do have a surface here, then the extrusion cutting will go up to there. Offset from surface, now let the surface this, so I can apply an offset of 30 mm from here. We can do the reverse too. So now I'm keeping through all. Now I'm giving a draft to a draft of about 30 degrees. See the draft, it is actually inward draft, and if you want you can do outward draft. If we had materials above here, we can use direction 2 and thin feature. For thin feature I'm using now. It's actually outside the surface. I'm gonna do it inside, draft outward. And the thin feature in opposite direction. Now it seems fine. It's actually became opposite. The draft option of the first is outward and the second is inward, so it's like this. So we can create a type of model too. So that's all about extrude cut. You can cut about any shape and size, including ellipse, parabola, partial ellipse, etc. You can cut even polygons. So that's all about extruded cut. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.